All right, so here we're given the graph of f prime, and we are asked, we're given that it is conveniently geometric shape, so we're definitely going to be finding area, and we are given that f of 2 is 1. What is f of negative 5? So this is a first fundamental theorem of calculus problem, right? So what's happening here is we're going to integrate from negative 5, because that's the value of t that they want us to find, to 2, because that's the value that's given, of f prime of t dt, right? And that's going to give us f of 2, which is a known quantity, minus f of negative 5, which is the thing that they asked us to find, right? That's what we want. So if we kind of reposition by adding the f of negative 5 over and subtracting the integral, we're going to get that f of negative 5 is f of 2, a known quantity, minus an integral that is a convenient geometric area that we can find, right? And that's what we're going to do. We're going to find this area with geometry. So the big trick here, and I almost fell for it, is that you're only integrating from negative 5 up until 2. So you don't need this stuff at all, which is the thing to be careful about. So this is going to be a positive area because it's above the axis and I'm integrating from left to right. So specifically, this is going to be a 1/2 the base times height. So essentially what we're looking at is our answer is going to be f of 2, which is known, plus, minus, and then in parentheses, I need the area of the triangle, which I know is going to be positive, so that's a 1/2 base times height, plus the area of the semicircle, which is very much going to be a negative quantity, right? So the trick with this is you can't just make the radius a -2 and assume that that's going to solve your problem because you're squaring the radius. So you need to be heads up and say, oh, I get it. This is definitely a negative semicircle. I'm going to put a negative there, pi r squared, right? And that's my value. And then it's really just about cleaning this up. So f of 2 is a 1. This will be minus a 3 minus a 2 pi. So when I distribute my negative, I get that this is 1 minus 3 plus 2 pi, or a 2 pi minus 2, which is my answer A. And that's it.